Quick questions. Why do you think global markets like Malabar Gold, Joy Lucas, and Damas choose Dubai as one of the strongest markets? Because in Dubai, gold is not just about luxury, it's about trust, volume, and long term business value. Welcome back to 50 Days Top 50 Business Ideas in the UAE, where we break down realistic, high potential business ideas you can start in the Emirates. Today's business idea is one of the most iconic and profitable industries in the region, the jewelry business in the UAE. Dubai, the city of gold. Dubai is globally known as the city of gold, and this reputation is backed by decades of trading history. The Dubai Gold Souk alone houses more than 300 jewelry retailers, attracting tourists, residents, wedding buyers, and investors every single day. Jewelry in Dubai is not just purchased for fashion, it is bought for weddings, gifting, savings, and investment, making demand consistent throughout the year. That's why many of today's largest jewelry brands first build their foundation in Dubai before expanding internationally. Market size and industry statistics. Let's talk about numbers. The UAE jewelry market is valued at over USD 4.6 billion, with gold jewelry contributing close to 60% of total demand. Tourism, high disposable income, and strong trust in certified Dubai gold continue to drive this industry. This makes jewelry one of the most stable and high volume trading business in the UAE. Tax structure and profit potential. Now, this part is very important and often misunderstood. 0% import duty implies on only raw gold. Import duty is applicable on finished jewelry. VAT is applicable on both raw gold and jewelry, which can be reclaimed. Retail jewelry sales attract 5% VAT. Despite VAT and duties on jewelry, Dubai remains attractive because of high sales volume, strong margin, and global buyer confidence. Low corporate tax exposure and international trade access make this business profitable when structured correctly. License and approval required. Jewelry is a regulated activity, so approvals matter. Here is what is required. Jewelry trading license. The license is issued by DET, Department of Economy and Tourism, for mainland businesses. If you plan to trade in raw gold, this activity is allowed only under a mainland license. Free zone do not permit trading in raw gold. Finished jewelry trading and wholesale depend on the license scope and business model. Retail shop approval, if applicable. Dubai municipality approval is required only if you open a physical retail shop. Now, this approval covers shop layout, safety, operational standards. Municipality approval is not required for raw gold trading without a retail outlet. Dubai Assay Office, Hall Marketing and Purity Testing, previously known as DCL. It is now the Dubai Assay Office. All gold jewelry must undergo purity testing hallmarking certification. Without hallmarking, jewelry cannot be legally sold in Dubai. Custom registrations. It is required if you import or export raw gold jewelry, precious stones. AML compliance jewelry business falls under anti-money laundering regulations due to high volume transactions. Now, this includes customer verification, source of the fund documentation, transaction reporting, VAT registration. Mandatory once the annual turnover crosses 375,000 AED. Mainland versus free zone reality check. If your business involves raw gold trading, local trading with UAE, retail showroom, the mainland setup is mandatory. If your business focuses on finished jewelry trading, wholesale, export-oriented operations, a free zone may be considered, but raw gold trading is strictly mainland only. Choosing the wrong structure can block the approvals later. So this decision must be taken very carefully. The bank account and the documentation. Once the license is issued, opening a business bank account is a critical step. Banks will review your shareholder background, sources of fund, supplier and buyer details. Compliance readiness, jewelry business face higher scrutiny. So documents must be prepared correctly from the very start. Now, quick recap. Let's summarize clearly. Dubai is one of the strongest jewelry markets in the world. The industry is valued at billions and continues to grow. Raw gold enjoys 0% import duty, but jewelry imports attract duty. Now, VAT implies on both raw gold and jewelry. Raw gold trading is allowed only under mainland license. Retail shops need municipality approval. Hallmarking is done through the Dubai Assay Office. Now this business is highly rewarding when structured the right way. If you are considering a jewelry business in the UAE, accuracy matters more than the assumptions. Now at Dhanguard, we help you choose the correct license, select the right jurisdiction, understand approvals before you invest. So your jewelry business starts on a solid, compliant foundation. This was day 2 of 50 days, 50 business ideas in the UAE. In the next episode, we'll explore another business opportunity that performs exponentially well in the UAE market. Stay informed, stay compliant, and build smart in the UAE.